Hey, what's up, guys? And we're back with another review today. Today we are going to be reviewing this Stigma machine. These are made and designed by CNC Tattoo, which is also a part of So Long Tattoo. So it comes in this pretty cool camouflage box, and this is called the Em-146-3. I know, very interesting name. I kind of call it the bomb, and you'll see why, because it kind of looks like a bomb. So yeah, this is the box. When you do get it, the box will be sealed. Obviously this one is open for this review. So let's open the box. You'll see what you get. Kind of get this little sticker here, I think, or I don't know if this is actually embossed onto the box or not. But yeah, this is the machine here. And let's put this on the side for a second so we can get inside of the box and show you guys what's in there. So you get two different cams. And one cam will be inside of the machine when it comes. You get some accessories here. I think this is also some O-rings, an RCA cord. Yep. Nice little lightweight RCA. You get an Allen key as well. The Allen key is for the cams. Okay. And these cams, so you get a 3mm stroke cam, you get a 3.5mm stroke cam, and you get a 4mm stroke cam as well. And you got all the you got all the tools that you need to use the cam. To take the cam off, take it apart, put it on, you get an instruction manual here that explains how to do everything. Alright, quick look at that. And now let's get to the machine. So this is the machine, as you can see. It looks like a bomb, literally. So the grip is here. And to adjust the grip, you kind of can turn it like that with these fins back here. At first I thought that it was going to be difficult to bag this, but honestly it wasn't difficult at all. My clipcord sleeve fit right over it. The grip is kind of like this, as you guys can see. I kind of, I guess my first con would be the way that the grip is shaped, that it comes down like that, because I like my grips, you know, kind of fatter at the end, so I'm literally taking a piece of paper towel and wrapping that and then putting cohesive over that when I, you know, get my machine ready to work with. But other than that, grip goes on like that, snaps in, and then you can adjust your needle depth. So to remove the motor, you have this situation back here on the machine, and you just turn it, and the motor pops off like that with the cam. And these cams are pretty easy to pop off. These are Chinese motors. They have some pretty good high torque. The machine is also very, very quiet. So let's run this machine so you guys can hear how it sounds. I believe I have a 3mm cam in there right now. That's what I've been testing it with. Kind of been just doing some shading with it and stuff like that. That's at 7 volts. This machine is rated to run between 8 and 11 volts. So at full blast, this is what it's sounding like. pretty quiet. I will put a cartridge in here so you guys can hear what it sounds like, and we will hit up our handy dandy hand right there. And of course these are all cartridges for test purposes. They are not used on actual human skin. So this is at 11 volts. This is a 23 mag, and let's see. Pretty powerful machine. Let's bring it down to like the suggested voltage, which is 8. Get these needles out a little further, actually. Let's see if I could shred this skin up for you. Make this motor stop. No, it's not stopping. Pretty powerful. Let's go further down. Let's see how low we can go. 4.5. Ah, not enough power. Go up higher. Let's see, 5.5. Okay, at 5.5 volts, the machine will still put it in pretty damn good with this size of a mag. So yeah, that's nice. Definitely did some shredding there to that synthetic skin, as you guys can see. Okay, so lining is really nice with this machine, especially if you're going to throw on that 4mm stroke. Puts in lines real nice and easy. The 3.5 is also great for lining and shading, and I actually like the 3, to be honest. I like working with shorter strokes for certain stuff. When I used to work with coil machines, I always ran a short stroke, so that's just me and how I am. But yeah, if you guys want to pick this machine up, I believe it'll be available on Amazon now, and I will have a link in the description, and you guys will be able to check it out. Alright, and this is the Stigma Em-146-3. If you guys like my videos, like my content, hit that subscribe button, shoot me a like. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Have a good day.